Hey pals, John here with the LensPal, and today we're going to take a look at the Lightstorm 600C Pro from Aputure. This is a beast of a light. It is big, it's heavy, and it is super powerful. As the name suggests, it's a 600 watt output light, being that it's Aputure, it's an LED, and the C means that it is a full RGB light. Their naming convention, for those who don't know, D is daylight balanced, X is bicolor, C is full RGB. So with this bad boy, you can go into the menu system here. In fact, you can just go lighting mode, use the little wheel to move over, and then you can dial in different colors. You can pick out something like this, for an example. Dial back the green, dial back the green, add in some blue until you get exactly the color that you want. So there you go. That is full RGB. Like I said, it's also bicolor, WW mode. So go into CCT, and right here we've got everywhere from 2300 Kelvin all the way up to 10,000 Kelvin. Now, it doesn't stop there, because if you actually have the Sidus Link app on your phone, you can have an expanded color range, so you can actually drop it down to 1500 Kelvin, 1500, or all the way up to 20,000 Kelvin. That's pretty blue right there. Obviously, when you go into the expanded range, you don't quite have the same output as you do if you just stick between that 2300 and 10,000 range there. You have control of the dimming curves. You can even sort of create your own dimming curves. Built right into the light, if I come under gel, there are some 300 different gels that you can choose from. So let's just go with that one, come back up here. Let's get some intensity going. There we go. So right now this is Cow Color DMX89 Cyan, apparently is where we're at. But we can go to Cinelux. We can pull in, as you can see, it's happening right now behind me. So yeah, you've got a whole different bunch of gels that you can plug in, making it super easy to match to existing lights, to existing gels. You can even have source, so you've got, let's give it a bit more intensity. You've got tungsten bulbs, you've got incandescents, you've got halogens. There's a whole different bunch of bulbs in here, so you can kind of get the feel for as I'm running through them on the screen here. Did mention that it has the Sidus Link connectivity, so it comes with all of the things that we've come to love from that. So whether it's my favorite, which is the color picker, pick out the orange of our coasters, or being able to manually adjust the effects. So you've got all your cop car effects, you've got your lightning, fireworks, party scenes, everything that you've come to expect from the Sidus Link app. There's like 15 different effects built right in, and the ability to customize them further through the app. In terms of light quality, it's Aputure. So, CRI 95, TLCI in 98, all of those scores that you come in to expect, you mid to high 90s for your light quality is right there. I'm going to turn it off of the cop car for the time being and just go back to daylight. There you go. So back to daylight, super face meltingly bright right there. And yeah, it is a Bowman's mount light, so you can blind yourself if you're not careful. You can remove this, swap it out for a lantern, a dome. We are including the light dome too with it, but if you rather have a strip box, Anything that is Bowen's mount, these 3 studs on here, is going to fit right on there. Just like that. Obviously you'll do it a lot easier because you're not talking to camera as you're trying to do it. Yeah, so there you go. Big, heavy, powerful, impressive light, full RGB, even more bicolor than most bicolor lights out there, and available right now on our website, thelenspal.com. Yeah. If you have found this video helpful or informative, if you just like pretty colors, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, smash a bell, thumbs up, and whatever it is that Aputure's social media team is saying this week. And until next time, see you soon.